Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version on your earbuds. So, open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and then go to the settings at the right top. At the last line we have update firmware, and we need to tap on it. It checked for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Right here you will see a circle with download, and you just tap on it. If you update it and it didn't help you, or you have an update like I am, also I recommended to put your earbuds to the charging case. Now you can close the case or do not close it. Just wait about 15 seconds. And the battery level of your earbuds and the charging case will update. So after 15 seconds you just remove it from the charging case and check is it fixed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.